Bea is going on an aeroplane. Before we start with our story, make sure you like and subscribe for more of Bea's adventures. Bea opened her suitcase. What do I need? She wondered. She packed her swimsuit, sunglasses, toothbrush, and her favorite book. Bea lifted her suitcase onto the scale. Can't be too heavy for the plane to take off safely, she smiled. Bea bounced in her seat during the car ride. She imagined swimming in the sea and building tall sandcastles. We got to be there early to catch our plane, she said. The airport doors opened with a whoosh. Trolleys, signs, so many people, Bea gasped. Airports are busy with lots of people traveling at the same time. Bea rolled her suitcase to the check-in desk. The helper weighed the bag. She gave Bea a shiny boarding pass. Next was security. Bea placed her bag and floaty in a tray. Through the scanner they went. Bags go through the scanner so helpers can make sure everything is safe to fly. At passport control, Bea handed over her passport. Thump. Have a wonderful trip, said the officer. Passports are stamped so they know who we are and where we are going. Bea read the big screens. Gate B12, that's us. We need to find our gate so we can get on the right aeroplane. At the gate, Bea watched planes zoom down the runway while eating a small snack. Planes need to take turns to safely take off from the runway. Boarding time, called the helpers. Bea followed the long tunnel into the aeroplane. We board in groups so everyone can find their seat calmly. Bea found her seat and buckled up tight. The engines hummed, the wheels rolled, up, up, up they flew. Seatbelts keep us safe for takeoff and landing. And so Bea's journey began. Bea looked out the window. Clouds looked like marshmallows, tiny cars, tiny houses. Bea munched biscuits and zipped juice. Snacks helped make the flight comfy and fun. Suddenly, bump! The aeroplane touched down. We've landed, said the captain. Landings can feel bumpy because the wheels meet the ground again. Bea rolled her suitcase into warm, breezy air. Palm trees waved hello. Holiday time, she cheered. After flying, our adventure can begin. Thank you for listening to our story. Make sure you like and subscribe for more of Bea's adventures.